So I just got the bed taken out, and that was a beast. So it's I think it's day 5 of the trailer renovation. I don't know the date. I think it's like the 21st of May. I'm back in the trailer. What again? And I'm gonna be taking out the rest of the bedroom. I had hoped to get it done yesterday, but I started working on the Jayco, so it kind of fell behind. But today I'm gonna get all the bedroom taken apart, so hopefully the end of today, all of the fifth wheel will have been gutted as far as what's coming out, and then we can really start looking at what we have to work with and start redesigning it. So that's today. So here's the bedroom, what I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna try and get this bed out in one piece. See if I can get that to happen so that I can put it back in, but I want to get all the carpet out below it because we're putting in flooring and I hate having to cut around carpet and do it like that. So, and then this is going to be coming out and we'll be redesigning this whole area for us, and we're actually going to leave the closet the way it is, so that's kind of a nice surprise. So I just got the bed taken out, and that was a beast. And then I was able to expose the like the slider, what makes it slide, the hydraulic system. Okay, here's the bedroom with the bed taken out. Oh no, go on. But yeah, so that's all taken out. I'm hoping to put the same bed right back in, so I didn't tear it apart or anything. I hope to put it right back in, and so the goal is to get all this carpet out from under it. So I'm hoping I'll be able to kind of take these screws out and lift that up just enough to get the carpet out. Cut around the wiring. But that's the goal, so I don't have to just chop the carpet up and kind of do it makeshift like. So now I'm going to turn my attention to this section. And then after that, that'll pretty much be everything we're really going to gut out of here. So then I'll be able to start cleaning it up and getting it ready to start building it back. Alright, so I got the bedroom cleared out, got the cabinet out, the dresser. Whew. Pretty crazy, man. So we left the kitchen cabinet and where the fridge is, and then we left this little sink cabinet. Not sure what we'll do right here. We may just leave it. But the rest of it's been freaking taken out, man. Those cabinets we'll use. Whole back of the trailer's been taken out. Pretty wild, man. Those cabinets are cool, we'll leave those. And now we're rethinking how we're gonna do the kids' beds. So that also may be coming out. So now I'm gonna spend the rest of the day getting everything kind of taken out of here. Get the carpet out. Here's all the stuff. Some of the stuff. Alright, I'm done with the teardown for the day. I got most of it done. We're almost there. For like a couple hours tomorrow. We'll be good. So got the stair area taken apart. Found out there's a huge speaker in the stair, which is so odd. Working on getting the carpet taken out of here. So, yeah, it just started raining, so I'm gonna leave this stuff in here so it doesn't just get sitting in the rain, but that'll be it for today.